Today is the day where we start a new series of how everyone makes it differently. So this is going to be eggs, and you could see how many people are critical about the way they make their eggs and how, they don't ever seem to taste right when you eat them outside of the house. So even in my house, everyone makes the eggs differently, and feel free to try them all out and see which one you like best. And also tell us how you make your eggs. So my mom's making these for my brother today. So she's gonna start with chopping up some green onion and cherry tomatoes and some green bell pepper. And she's chopping them up pretty small because she's gonna put that, it's not really an omelet, but yeah, she's gonna put that into the eggs. And she's gonna chop up some parsley as well. Then she's going to obviously make the eggs. So she's gonna put the eggs, add salt, pepper, and a little bit of olive oil to a pan. And she's gonna first start out by cooking all of the vegetables. Is tomato a vegetable? Not really, but here we are. And then you're going to add the eggs. And she's just gonna keep mixing that. So she's not letting it stay not moving. And then she likes to usually eat this with hot lemon and honey tea. But that's it. We hope you enjoy my mom's eggs. Bye!